Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these super cute little storage containers that I got to make my own like little Lunchable snack. I love how cute these are. These are the pastel colors, and the colors are just so nice and happy and cute. So we like to use these for like a little snack box, either for my 2-year-old to just have around the house so he can grab and go as he needs, or I pack it in my husband's lunch, or my own lunch even, just so I'm not snacking on things I shouldn't be snacking on. So I love these. I love how sturdy they are. They're very durable plastic, and they are just really cute. The storage depth is really nice as well. You can fit a good amount of food in each one, so that's also a plus. So definitely recommend these. Check them out. You'll have so much fun making your little snack box, and that is my point of view.